Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to earn a certificate. First, we are on our dashboard. We go to the course catalog. In the course catalog, if you're 5 to 11, I'm 11. So you can come in this section. Or if you're above, so you can go to that one. Now you press Hour of AI, Explore Hour of AI. Over here, you'll get an option of which kind of you get an option of which kind of course you want to do, and I want to do Dance Party AI Edition. So I press Explore Curriculum, and now we are going to start. We're going to start our course. We can even skip the video if you're clear, but you can even attend the video. Over here, we have to add blocks to create your dancer and code them to do a dance move, a new dance move. Let's make our dancer do some move. I'll make my dancer do fresh dab. Okay. Okay, we've done our first puzzle. Well, basically our second puzzle. Our first puzzle was a video. Let's generate an effect. I'll take a rainbow, some paint, and a ghost. Let's generate our effect. I think this effect looks good. Let's use it.
When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love.
Wow, this puzzle is also done. Let's go to our next puzzle. This one says use AI to generate a new effect for a different song. Okay, let's generate a new effect. What if we use a rose, a rainbow, and some fire? Let's generate this effect. Okay, this effect looks great. Let's use it. Okay, our puzzle 4 is also complete. Let's move over to puzzle 5. AI gets you started. Can you customize the effect it creates? I don't like that effect. I'll use this, and this. Let's generate our effect. Wow, this effect looks just beautiful. Let's use it.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that.
Wow, our puzzle 5 is also complete. Let's move on to puzzle 6. Try it out. You can control the dance moves. Press 1 to start the song, then press the left or right arrow to cue your dancer's moves. Okay, we have to press run to start the song, and then left and right to make our dancers do the move. Okay, our puzzle 6 is now completed. Let's move on. Your turn. Code your dancer to move when you press a key. Okay. Let's generate a background effect. Use a crown, and I'll choose a rose. What if I put some ice cream in it as well? Let's generate our effect. Okay, this effect looks great. Let's use it. I think I'll add some more characters to our code. Okay, and now let's do this part of the code. Okay, let's do... Okay, let's subtract the sloth and keep the bear in the middle. Wow, puzzle 7 is now complete. Let's move on to puzzle 8. Try it out. The effects change at specific times in the song. Press run to start the song. Watch the effects change at measure 3 and again at measure 5. Wow, puzzle 8 is complete. Your turn. Code your dancer to change the effect at specific times in the song. Okay, in this one we have to make the effect change at different measures. Let's generate an effect. Wow, I love this effect. Let's use it. At measures 2, the effect will change into this one. And now we want to make it measures, let's use measures 5. I generate a new effect when measures 5. Okay, let's generate our effect. Okay, let's use this effect. Okay, our puzzle 9 is now complete. Let's move on to our last puzzle. Okay. In this, we have to do whatever we can do to keep the party going. Okay, let's use this effect. Let's make it do random. Okay, let's make another. Let's generate an effect. Okay, let's use this effect. Okay, let's run our code once. Another effect to our code. will generate a new effect in every different move. Let's generate. Let's regenerate. Okay, let's use this effect. Okay. Let's see what we can do now. Let's add the set all dance speed to fast block as well, so that when they dance, they do it super fast. Let's add some of them more at when press, yes. This one would work out just great. Okay, all should do a move whenever down is pressed as well. What if they do fresh? And then we should also generate our effect, a new effect when they do that. So let's make an effect. What if we put rainbow, a crown, and some water in this one? Okay, let's use it. What else did we learn today? Let's check. Now let's press I finished. And then we enter our name. Mine is Esha Rahil, so I'll submit now. Now we get a certificate of completion. The certificate is awarded to Esha Rahil for successfully completion of the hour of AI. I hope you guys also earn a certificate after you do your hour of AI. Good luck!